What's going on, YouTube? So I'm gonna be doing a oil change on this 2012 Honda Civic. I already have it on a ramp, and I have a jack to support it just in case something bad happens. But let me get started. So here's what we're using: 0W20 PH7317 frame.
Does the whole thing go in there?
No, your car only takes like close to 4 quarts. Now we're just starting it, so that way it'll cycle, and then I'm gonna check the fluid level after about a minute of resting or 5 minutes of resting. But yeah, and then while it's on, I can check to see if there's any fluid leaking from the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while it's on. I don't see any fluid coming out of here. That's good. I don't see any fluid coming out of here. So we're good. Now, I just gotta wait till about a minute, and then I gotta check the fluid level. What is that? Trying to get it to focus, but it's right over here on the full. And that's it for the video.